Hey guys, this is Panky Lanuza and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show to you how to make pork lechon belly or porchetta. For you to have a successful roast, crispy on the outside, juicy and tender on the inside, time and temperature is vital. Also, choose an excellent cut of the pork slab with a right combination of layers of fat, meat, and skin. Make sure that the bones are removed from the slab for you to roll it. Now, let's make the brine. Here are the ingredients: 15 cloves of garlic, ground black pepper garlic, rosemary, oregano, 1/4 cup of salt, onion powder, and 1/4 cup of sugar, and also some bay leaves. Combine all the ingredients into 2 liters of water. Bring to a boil and simmer for 5 minutes to release the aroma and flavor of the herbs and spices. Allow it to cool before you submerge the pork slab. Let it soak overnight in the fridge. For best results, let it soak for at least 2 nights. After brining, wash the slab in running water. Don't forget to drain the brine ingredients and make them as the stuffing. Lay the pork belly on a flat surface and place the drained stuffing on the center. Roll the pork belly and tie it using kitchen twine. Make sure that the tie is secured and the slab will not open up as to avoid spill of the stuffing. And now we have a perfectly and securely tied pork belly ready for roasting. Use the skewers of your oven to roast the pork belly. Secure the slab firmly over the skewers, in which every part of it will receive the right amount of heat upon roasting. Place in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius and roast for 2 hours. After 2 hours, increase the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and roast for another hour until the skin is crispy. And there you go, crispy on the outside, juicy and tender on the inside. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. That's all for now. See ya!